Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font on your Mac. While Mac OS doesn't provide a single system-wide setting for this, you can effectively customize your font experience. We'll explore how to adjust fonts within your favorite applications and discuss methods for modifying specific user interface elements. This guide will help you personalize your Mac's appearance to better suit your preferences, making your daily interactions more visually appealing and comfortable. To change fonts in most applications, begin by opening the app itself. Then, go to its menu bar, click on the application's name, and select Preferences or Settings. Within the Preferences window, you'll typically find a section dedicated to fonts or fonts and colors. Here, you can select your preferred font family, adjust the size, and choose a style like bold or italic. Remember to save your changes for them to take effect. Modifying the system-wide user interface fonts on a Mac is a more advanced task, as Apple does not provide a built-in setting for this. Some users explore third-party utilities like Tinkertool or Onyx, which might offer options to adjust certain interface elements. However, it is crucial to exercise extreme caution when using such tools. Always create a complete system backup before making any significant system-level changes to prevent potential issues. For effective font management, utilize your Mac's built-in font book application. It helps you organize, enable, or disable fonts and validate them for errors. Always ensure that any fonts you use, especially for professional projects, comply with their respective licensing agreements. After making any font changes within an application, it is a good practice to quit and then reopen that application to ensure the new font selections are properly applied and displayed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.